Ready to join the billions connecting on Facebook? This quick tutorial will have you creating an account and customizing your profile in under 90 seconds. First, head to Facebook. In your web browser, you'll see the Create New Account section. On the right side of the page, click that button to get started. Now, fill out the Signup form with your personal information. Enter your first and last name, followed by your mobile number or email address. Choose a strong password, something you'll remember but is difficult for others to guess. Next, select your date of birth from the drop-down menus and then choose your gender. Facebook needs this information to tailor your experience, but remember you have control over who sees this later. Double-check that all the information you've entered is correct, and then click the Sign Up button. Facebook will send a confirmation email or text message to the address or phone number you provided. Go to your email or check your messages and find the code they sent. Enter the confirmation code in the box on Facebook to verify your account. This confirms that the email or phone number belongs to you. Congratulations, you're in. Now, it's time to personalize your profile. Start by adding a profile picture. This is how your friends will recognize you. Click on the profile picture icon to upload one. Next, add a cover photo. This larger image appears at the top of your profile and gives people a better sense of who you are. Click Add Cover Photo to upload an image from your computer. Click on the Edit Profile button to add more details about yourself, like your education, work history, and interests. Remember, you can control the privacy settings for each piece of information you share. To manage your privacy, go to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. Here, you can control who can see your posts, who can find you in searches, and much more. Take some time to explore these settings and customize them to your comfort level. That's it. You've successfully created a Facebook account and started personalizing your profile. Now you can start connecting with friends and family, join groups, and explore everything Facebook has to offer. Happy connecting!